Hi friends, now we are screen recording. We are gonna to take the video in front camera, which is 44 MB. Eye autofocus is running on, and ultra stability mode is there, right? This is one. This is if you on this one, ultra stability mode will be on. We just on the ultra stability mode, and we are going to record this video in and going to record this video in 180p 60 fps. Let's record. Say I am walking now and just take back. I'm just running. See how the video output is. I hope you may see the clarity of this video. Let's go and check the other more filters, and in this if you are vlogger you can do more in that. We have the section, this last side you can see, I think feature in picture mode, so I will select. Okay, see now it is in picture in picture mode, and you can also change the dual video mode. This is dual video mode, and I hope you all see the video feature of it. And we have some of the lenses to shoot here. I'll go for photo. I just change my camera to back camera. It is going to save the 4K resolution, and yes, 4K is 30 fps, I think. 4K 30 fps we can take the video. Okay, now you are seeing the output of 4K 30 fps. I'm not taking the video, I'm just showing the screen recording of it. I just stop the screen record and go on to record the video. I hope you all have a good video picture now. You can see the video quality of all. Now we are going to see the photo features, and so many photo features is given. Just go and photo. Now we are just taking the photo. I said already, Vivo sensor is just a smart sensor. Whatever building or whatever it will come, we can easily sense. As we take a good photo of this. Okay, we have taken the good photo. It is adjusted. And just we go to the change the lens. Is a super macro. For getting the macro, what I am having. Oh, okay. Just we go and take this one. This macros and so I am just taking the macro shot. I hope this much is enough, I think. Yes, it's very perfect. Okay, this is a KB you are seeing. Now just change the lens. Bokeh effect. The bokeh is nothing, it's a portrait shot, I think, because you can see that all are poor. I just showed that rusted iron, but other and all it was gone blurred. It's a portrait only. Bokeh mode is super wide angle. Now you can see how wide it's going. I think it's going the more than 120-degree wide. See how a wider angle we are seeing. The super wide angle is good future for doing a vlog or doing anything. It's for videography also it's very useful. Now today's Bangalore is very cloudy, so you may lose the picture quality because my camera lens also getting fog. So what it is there, it was fully covered by fog. I think you can see fully fog. Today is a very cold climate today. Just take the pic of this building, super wide angle pic. Yes, nice pic we got. Also the KB super wide angle. Wow, nice we got. Okay, let's go out from the super wide angle lens and just we go move for so many features in that. In that you have more options. In this high resolution means that we are going to change the camera to 64. So front means 44 Ultra HD. If we change to back, it is 64 Ultra HD. We just gonna take the good pic of it. Okay, we have camera pro mode. Yes. Wow, in the pro mode we are getting the ultra clear and good natural colors. I think I just click a pic on it. Wow, it's very nice in pro mode. We are getting the what how much noise we are having. I think we are here seeing here. I think in screen recording you are able to see that. Friends, I just checked yesterday night. This is red shadow portrait light effect. See your light. So many features Vivo added in this mobile. Just a mobile. We just go for a motion video. Slow motion video I will added on the next screen. Just we'll try to zoom it. This is 1x. This is 1.3, 1.5, 1.8. Oh, we are getting the 10x zoom, and this is 10x zoom. We are getting that bad also something clear, but because of the fog condition only, we are getting the bad impressions. If the fog is not that, it is very good. In Bangalore, it's very foggy today. We just sitting down the wire. You can see, I think, fully fog. You can't see, I think, fog. So it gives some noisy, and 10x is also working good. And also you are having the most these of the settings in that, and you have the motion autofocus. Now the eye autofocus is on, body autofocus also is there. If the object autofocus is on means, I just show what we're going to see. Now I'm going to show the object autofocus. I'm going to autofocus this boiler. If you double the indeed it was autofocus. How I am going here, going, I'm changing the camera, but it is automatically autofocusing this boiler. You can see, right? This is good, very good feature. These features and all we only get in this DSLR only. Now I'm so focused that solar panel. I'm just moving the camera, but it is automatically focusing the solar panel only. I hope it is a very good camera given from Vivo. Shout out for Vivo. Night mode, this ultra night mode, it was worked very well. I just showed yesterday night I took one pic. I showed the picture yesterday night I took. This is a normal mode. This is the ultra night mode. You can see differences. This is the night shots yesterday we took. We have a good night shots also. So performing in low light also very good only. You can see the all this night mode. Very low light condition. It was taken around 8:30 p.m. I think. In video you can get this option by going the filter of this. You can say this is known, all will be in color only. If I select the colorful, I will be in color and other all will be in black and white. You can see I will be in color, other and all will be in black and white. This is bokeh effect. Just its portrait video, we can shoot the portrait video also. I think I will add this. I just take the portrait video and I will post it. See how is the portrait video. uh, Comment in comment section how is the portrait video working. All the, I think all the things are back in me are blurred.